Then, so yesterday was my birthday. I haven't bleached my hair, I think, in months because I'm trying to grow it out healthy. So, I didn't have, my hair hasn't really been growing. I turned 59 yesterday. It hasn't been growing. It's still kind of thick, but you could see my skin a lot more, and that was kind of like freaking me out. Um, but I really, really want it. I saw this because this is new for. It's called Electric Watermelon from Manic Panic, and I love like wearing like melony, corally colors for my birthday month. So I got excited. I bought it. It was like they go for about $15, and I was so mad. I ordered it, and it came in this tiny little 4 ounce jar. And I'm like, what the heck? This isn't going to cover my hair because even though my hair is short, it's still very thick. I do it with my hair dry so it'll have the best absorption, the best. People say you should wet your hair first. And I was like, this is not going to last me for my whole hair. So I added a deep conditioner because I was going to leave it on all day. I really wanted to give my hair a good conditioning treatment because I did have to bleach it twice. I bleached it once, and then my roots were still a gold, and I really wanted this color to show, so I just bleached my roots. And it took mostly to the top, but this is all so patchy. So I was mad, but I had like a 15% off coupon for Sally's for my birthday. So I went and got it. I got another bottle, so I'm going to probably do that this weekend because I had a doctor's appointment yesterday, so we're really like going to celebrate on Saturday. So I'll probably wash my hair out Thursday, and then don't put conditioner, and then just add the color straight to my hair. So it'll take, I'm mostly going to concentrate on the sides, and I'll put some on top again, but also the back since it's so patchy. I thought that the conditioner would work. I've tried, done that before, and it worked, but not this time. So for my birthday yesterday, I tried to use some of my coupons, but since I had a doctor's appointment, they had to go to the psychiatrist. I only got to do maybe half of my birthday coupons. Target only gives you 5% off. Which is ridiculous because that doesn't even cover the taxes here in Texas. But I just got a hand cream that I really wanted. They came out with the new Love Beauty Planet. I love Love Beauty Planet, but I just buy the hand creams because it's pretty expensive. And if I really, really, really love the scent, then I'll go and I'll get the candles and the hand cream. They do seasonal stuff, and this year they did jasmine and orchid, I think, something like that. It smells pretty good, but the best one they had came out last, I think fall, end of summer, beginning of fall, and I think they sold out. I don't know if you could order it online, but it's the oat milk latte. OMG. I didn't get all of it because it's expensive. I just got the candle and I got the body cream. So 5%, like I said, doesn't even cover taxes. But I got the hand cream. They're $5. And I got, then I went to Sally. Was it Sally? No, I went to Ulta, and they were giving out a lot of stuff, but I was going to get something else. And all of them were tiny. This seemed like the only thing that was worth anything. So, it's a moisturizer, which I use a lot of. It's the Peach and Lily Matcha. I picked that because everything else was so tiny. It's not even worth it. Where else did I went to Ulta? I went to Sally's to use my 15% off. Trying to think. I think there was one more place. I can't remember. Anyway, I still have to go to my Sephora. I still have to use my $3 CVS coupon, which isn't bad. Sometimes I've been every year I could use the coupon plus any other coupons, And I mean, I practically get my stuff for free with the coupons that I get for my birthday over there. So I just pick one thing and, you know, pay. I know one year I paid 5 cents for eyelash glue. I think last year I got a container of my under eye cleaner because I like to use something moisturizing, and I think I got that for really cheap. So yeah, I've been so I got to do that. So I didn't do those two things, and I'm trying to remember. Oh, and I didn't get my free bun cake. So yeah, I got like used half my coupons because after we ate out, it was getting late. I usually don't like Mexican food, but this place that they have here, it's called Cuco's, Cuco, which for Puerto Ricans means monster. So I find that hilarious. But yeah, that's the only place that's good. I hadn't been there in a long time, but their food was still good. So yeah, so Saturday, all the Puerto Rican restaurants in Houston closed down, except for this one. So I want to try that one. I haven't tried it I haven't tried that one. I tried like 3 or 4 2 years ago. So I want to go to that one on Saturday, and then I'll hit the other freebie places. And so yeah, I've just been enjoying my crocheting, and I bought this for my hair, and it works. They have like half price sales a lot. It's called the Hair Growth Company, and it's the 10-in-1 hair growth oil. I was using this at first, but it's pretty heavy, so you can still see it makes my hair still looks like it's thinning, but this really has helped my hair grow. I got this one, the oil-free one, and I don't see it that much anymore. And like I said, it makes my hair actually grow and thicken. Of course, after I bleached it, I lost some hair, but I really like that. I've been doing that, and